So I have this really, really beautiful piece of petrified wood, and I'm going to slab it up. Oh, the slab broke. That's a bit of a bummer. It does have that fracture right there in the middle though, so let's look. That is a beautiful pattern though. So I'm not going to get any good slabs out of this. It's just too fractured. Really broke apart there. So I just took this out and part of it broke apart, and then I just decided to drop it on the concrete a few times, and by doing that I busted it into this many pieces. So this is definitely not going to be slabbed anymore. I'm not even going to try to really shape it anymore. It's just going to all go in the tumbler.